Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. So, I hope you and your family member are staying at home. Yes or no? Okay? Or safe at home. Yes or no? I hope you are enjoying my online classes. In previous classes, I have discussed the digestion, the definition of digestion, and the human digestion are divided into two types, two component. One is the alimentary canal, another is the digestive gland. Okay, so it is alimentary canal are a seven compartment. Okay, so it is divided into seven compartment, and the digestive gland it is in four types. Yes or no? So today I will going to discuss the human digestion, how it is happen. Okay, so first this is the picture of a human digestion. First food enter to the buccal cavity. Okay, what will happen? The food enter to the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, what is called? It is called the mouth. Okay, mouth. Mouth is called the buccal cavity. So the food enter here and come to the here. Here the salivary gland is there. Okay, this salivary gland is here. The our both side of our cheek and below the tongue. Okay, so salivary gland is there. So salivary gland mix with the food. Yes or no? And in mouth, food type of teeth is there. Yes or no? So teeth are how many types? This is four types. Or first one is the incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay. So these four teeth. Okay. So these four teeth, they grinding the food. Okay. So they grinding and grinding, crossing, chewing their food. Then again the tongue. Okay. The tongue it mix the food with the saliva in the mouth region. When we are taking a food, the tongue what will happen? They will be mixed. Okay, the tongue is moving in your mouth. Yes or no? The tongue mix the food with the salivary gland. Okay, so saliva secrete salivary amylase. Okay, so it will be mixed with the all the things and the food come to esophagus. Okay, then the food enter to the esophagus. What will happen in the esophagus? So what will happen? It is continuous. Okay, continuous rhythmic. Okay, peristaltic contraction and relaxation. Okay, it is rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Okay, contraction relaxation, it will be happen in the esophagus. What will happen? The food will be compressed there and it is made from digested soluble form, and again the food come to the store in the stomach. So stomach is a J shaped. Okay, it is a J shaped. Yes or no? So what will happen? The stomach is a J shaped. It look like J. Okay, so see. So stomach is J shaped. Okay, so when the food is come to stomach, so stomach secrete a enzyme called gastric juice. Okay, so it secrete an enzyme called HCl. It is a gastric juice. Okay, so what will happen? It will make the food acidic medium. Okay, so acid, you know what is the work of acid. So what will happen when acid fell on our skin? It will be burn. Yes or no? So here HCl acid, what will happen when it is fell down on the food? It will be make food burn. Okay, it make very compost form. Yes or no? So then the food, yes, then again some protein food. Okay, protein food, what will happen? One enzyme is called pepsin. Okay, so what will happen? Protein food. Okay, protein food in the presence of a pepsin enzyme. So it will make a peptone. Okay, protease plus peptone. Okay, so what will happen? The protein enzyme. Okay, so protein food in the presence of a pepsin enzyme. What is it? This is enzyme. Pepsin enzyme. So what will happen? It will make a protease plus a peptone. So when you will go to higher classes, I will discuss more about this about. Okay, so this is not in your textbook. I am just saying. Okay, so stomach is a J shaped. It is secreted HCl gastric. Okay, HCl gastric enzyme. So this enzyme make food acidic. Yes or no? Then another another liver secret a bile juice. Okay, so bile juice is a one type of enzyme which also mix with the food. Okay, so what will happen here? Food will be all the gastric enzyme, then stomach HCl enzyme, all the and intestinal enzyme, all the enzyme compress the food. Okay, so what will happen again? The food will be some food here digested. Okay, so some food is digested and the remaining food come to the where? Small intestine. Okay, so small intestine it is 7.5 meter length. Okay, it is the small intestine. See how it is coiled with semi-coiled. Okay, it is coiled with and it have a finger-like position called a villi. Okay, so it is have a finger-like position called a villi. So this villi, what will happen? This their finger-like this our finger-like projection. So what will happen when the food enter to the small intestine? The finger-like projection. What will happen? They absorb the essential nutrient to our body, and the remaining waste material they releases to the large intestine. So what will happen in this large intestine? So the large intestine it absorb water and salt, and then the large intestine remove. Remove the only what semi solid waste material, so to the rectum. Okay, so rectum it is a organ which is store. Okay, rectum is a organ which store the semi solid waste material. So then when a pressure will come out, okay, so what will happen? The waste material means Latin. Okay, so Latin which is released through the anus. Okay, so this is the about the digestion in human. Okay, how the completely digestion will happen. So then we will discuss about the buccal cavity. Okay, first we will discuss the buccal cavity. So we will discuss about the buccal cavity. Okay, so we will discuss the buccal cavity. Yes or no? So what will happen in buccal cavity? Okay, buccal cavity or mouth. It is called the buccal cavity or mouth. Okay, so what will happen in the buccal cavity? 4 type of teeth is there. Yes or no? Teeth. Yes, no. How many teeth is there? 4 type. One is incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Yes or no? So in our teeth, okay, a human have how many teeth? So it is 32 teeth. Yes or no? So among the 30 teeth are divided into 4 types: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Yes or no? So what is the function of a canine? So canine help in the what? Cutting and biting. Okay, so it is the function of a cutting and biting. So what will happen? So in this what will happen? The canine teeth. Okay, so it will cut and biting the food. Then canine. So it is help. What is the function of a canine? It is tearing and porching. Function of what? The canine is tearing and porching. Tearing means तोड़ के खाते ना गन्ना. So this canine teeth help in the तोड़ के खाने के लिए. Okay. Then premolar. Okay. So the premolar teeth help in the chewing and grinding. Okay. Grinding and chewing. Okay. तो चुबा के खाते ना. So they making very powder for grinding means powder for, and chewing means चुबा के खाते. जैसे big bubble. Okay, so they are chewing gum. Okay, जैसे कैसे खाते? Chewing खाते. So this way the premolar teeth help. Okay, then molar teeth also same. They help in the grinding. What? Grinding and chewing. Okay. Yes or no? So human have how how many teeth? Four type of teeth. It is incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay. So these are the function of our teeth. Okay. So first incisor teeth help in the cutting and biting. Canine help in the tearing and purching. Then premolar teeth help in the grinding and chewing. And the molar teeth help in the grinding and chewing. Okay. So now in human being, how many teeth is there? So it is a four type of teeth. Okay. So we will discuss the arrangement of teeth. Okay. How it is arranged. Okay. How it is arranged? We will discuss about the arrangement of teeth. Okay. So we have now two jaw. It is the upper jaw. It is the lower jaw. So human being have how many teeth? 32. Total how many? 32. Means each jaw have how many teeth? 16 teeth. Okay. So you take one side. Okay. So how many you have to? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Okay. So human being have how many teeth? 16 teeth. Yes or no? We have to take one jaw. Okay. So first the human dental formula. Okay. Think it is 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how we find out the formula? Okay. So all human. Okay. All human have 32 teeth. Okay. In upper law it is 16. Lower law 16. Okay. Upper law 16 and lower jaw it is 16. Okay. So first how many is there? It is how many? 2. Okay. 2. So these 2 are in the where? It is first one is incisor. Okay. Okay. Then only one. Okay. Only one. Okay. Sorry. Two upper jaw and lower jaw is there na. So incisor means it is come and how many come? It is 4 will come. Yes or no? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So means upper jaw is there and the lower jaw is there. Means okay. So it is 4. Then it is again incisor is over. Then canine. Okay. So these are what? Canine. Canine is how many? So in the upper jaw it is 1, lower jaw is 1. Okay. So it is 2. Yes or no? Then premolar. Okay. Premolar how? It is how many? It is 4. Yes. So it is premolar. Okay. So these are called premolar. Then remaining is 3. Okay. Okay, it is molar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So all the 16 teeth. Okay. So it is take one jaw. Okay. So we have now human dental formula is 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it is upper jaw. If you take in the lower jaw, it's same 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Means okay. Upper jaw is 2, 1, 2, 3 and lower jaw is 2, 1, 2, 3. So you have to multiply 2. Okay. So how? 2 into 2 how? 4. Then 4 into 1 4. 4 into 8 into 80. Okay. 80 into 2 into how? This is 16. Okay. So here also 16. Okay. So you have to add addition. Okay. How many? 32. Okay. So how it is happen? So every human being have how many teeth? So it is 32 teeth. In the lower jaw it is 16 teeth. Okay. It is 16 teeth lower jaw. And the upper jaw also upper jaw it is 16 in upper jaw. Yes or no? Upper jaw 16, lower jaw 16. Total 34. Teeth are divided into 4 types: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay. So the formula for human teeth is 2 1 2 3. Okay. So here have see if you count, okay, if you multiply with 2 into 2 how many? 4. So first incisor it come 4 now. It is 4. Yes or no? If only one side, okay, if you count both side, how many it is? Into 2. You have to multiply 2. It is 8 it will come. Yes or no? So again come think about 2 in incisor over, then canine 1 into 2. How many come? 2 1 canine here and 1 canine. Yes or no? Yes or no? So again you count with the premolar 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2. How many? So 2 into 2 4. So you count 1 2 here premolar 1 2. 4 come na? Only one lower jaw it is 4. If you count to both jaw it is how many come? 8 will come. Yes. So then come to 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Okay. So see count here 3 into 2 how many? 6. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 na. So it is premolar also molar also 6. Only one side is 6. If you count two side how many come? It will be 6 into 2. How many? 12. Yes or no? So now I will discuss again here. So here see. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So here see. It is incisor how many? Incisor only one jaw it is 4. Okay. If you count both jaw it is 8. Yes or no? Then canine it is how many? 1 into 2. Only one jaw. If you count 2 jaw, okay, it will become 4. Yes or no? Then premolar. Okay, premolar. So in premolar how many? 2 here 2. 4 is there na? 4 into if you both side, if you count both side means upper jaw and lower jaw, it is how many come? 8. Okay. Then come to molar. Okay, molar. So molar what will happen? How many teeth? 3 3 6. Okay, 6 into if you only one jaw it is 6. If you count 2 jaw how many come? It will become 12. So you have to add this 16 8 4 how many? 12 26 12 24 into plus 8 equal to 32. Yes or no? So how means this is the both upper jaw and the lower jaw. This is I draw, this is only the for what? It is only one jaw, lower jaw. Okay. So this is the structure of teeth, and next period I will discuss remaining. Okay. So remaining part of in the our human elementary. Thank you. Have a nice day.